Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play One Day by Matisyahu. Now before we can play this song, we first should make sure that your ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord that we're going to learn is G major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and F major for 4 beats. Let's play that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the C major chord. Down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up. And now let's apply the chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that string pattern and that chord progression a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through One Day. Sometimes I lay under the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day. One day, one day, one day. And at the end of the song, you're just going to ring out on the C major chord. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for One Day. And that's how you play One Day by Matisyahu. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Sunstar Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.